RFMD offers 4 new MMIC Upconverter and Downconverter devices that offer high performance and low cost for high-frequency applications. The RFUV1002 and RFUV1003 Upconverters incorporate an image rejection mixer, LO buffer amplifier, variable gain amplifier, and DC-decoupling capacitor. The RFRX1001 and RFRX1002 Downconverters incorporate an image rejection mixer, LO buffer amplifier, integrated LNA, and DC decoupling capacitor. Each device is packaged in a 5mm by 5mm QFN to simplify both system-level board design and volume assembly. The combination of high performance and low-cost packaging makes each of these devices a cost-effective solution, ideally suited for point-to-point radio, satellite communications, military radar, and electronic warfare applications. Upconverter features include RF frequency for RFUV1002 9 GHz to 14 GHz, RFUV1003 12 GHz to 16 GHz, IF frequency DC to 4 GHz, conversion gain maximum 23 dB, conversion gain minimum negative 15 dB, noise figure maximum gain for the RFUV1002 12 dB, RFUV1003 11 dB, OIP3 maximum gain plus 28 dBm, image rejection 20 dBc. Downconverter features include RF frequency for the RFRX1001 10 GHz to 15.4 GHz, RFRX1002 9 GHz to 14 GHz, LO frequency for the RFRX1001 6 GHz to 19.4 GHz, RFRX1002 5 GHz to 18 GHz, IF frequency DC to 4 GHz, conversion gain for the RFRX1001 12 dB, RFRX1002 14 dB, noise figure for the RFRX1001 2.1 dB, RFRX1002 1.7 dB, IIP3 4 dBm, OIP3 for the RFRX1001 16 dBm, RFRX1002 18 dBm, image rejection 15 dBc. These products are now available in production quantities. Pricing begins at $24.44 each for 1,000 pieces. For more information, please visit rfmd.com.